Channel Admirable Art and Crafts. So today I am back with a new video. So today in my new video I'm gonna show you how to make easy DIY unicorn style pen stand. So let's get start with the procedure, but before starting don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. So let's get start with the procedure without any delay. Now for making the pen stand, take here square paper of size 20 by 20 centimeter and just fold this like this into two equal parts like this. Now just open and just take this point to the center crease and fold it like this. Similarly, fold this one part to the center crease again. Now just open these sides and you can see here the 4 creases are formed. And now just fold this paper from the opposite side into 2 equal parts again, and now just fold it from the center. Now just take this part, this one, up to this crease. From the opposite side you do the same process like this. Now just you open it like this. Just follow the creases and mark it in the way like this. Just follow on the other opposite side. Like this. Like this. So it is ready. Now just similar make here 3 pieces and 2 of the same shade and other of the another shade, as I've taken here 2 pink and 1 blue. So now just take 1 pink and 1 blue for a while and just take here Fevicol or liquid glue, whatever, and now just add glue to this part, down portion like this. Now just stick it like this. Stop. Now just stick it like this. Now just stick here glue on this part, and now just take the blue one and just fold it like this again, and now just keep this downward and just stick the upper part to this and stick this one to this part like this. Now just similar, add glue to this part, another one opposite side, only on the down portion, and now just stick this. Now just take this one part and just stick to this. Like this, and this one part to this like this. So now just Similar, take the another pink shade and add glue to this side again. Now just fold it like this, and now just stick this portion to this and this again to this. And this pen stand is completely paper made. And now add glue to the opposite side again, and now just stick glue all over, and now just stick this part again to this like this. Like this. So it is done. Now let's make the base for it quickly. So like this, you just stick it properly. Now see, like this. Now to make the base for the pencil stand, take here white sheet. It's not necessary to take here only white, you can also prefer the color of your choice. So now just fold it into half like this, into two triangular halves, and again from the another side. Now just open it. Now you can see here two creases, and I am taking here square piece again of 20 by 20 centimeter. Now just fold it into half like this from here. Now this to this again. Now this to this again. Now this to this up to 4th point. So now it is formed. Now just fold like this again. Now you have to give here a double fold. Like this. So the base is ready. Now you can see what's accordingly size. Yes, it is accurate. Now take here again Fevicol and just add glue to these triangular sides. Now just add glue to on all of the 4 triangles. This can be the desk organizer for your home, or a table organizer, or you can use it as to decorate your study tables, etc. Now just keep this pencil stand in side and just stick this triangular to its sides like this, like this. Adhere them properly. Now just these sides are sticked properly, and now I have made some unicorn accessories to decorate the pen stand. So now just use your Fevicol or glue, whatever you have. Now just stick these ears of unicorn firstly like this and through to its back portion. I'm sticking these like this. Chula. Like this. Now take here its antenna or head, whatever you call it. And stick it in the center. And I have taken here some paper flowers, and you can prefer also some simple flowers or roses, whatever you like. Now just stick this accordingly. Like this. Now take your black marker or black sketch pen and draw its eyes.
Notifications about my
like this.
Video.
So I hope you all guys like my video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications, and must share and must try this. See how beautiful it is looking. So I hope you guys liked it. So please subscribe, like and share. So till then, bye bye. We will meet you in the next video.